Hi guys, so let's unbox this Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro X. Comes in such a packing. You can see all the features will be there. So dashcam, high clarity, video impure, 360-degree rotatable, superior night vision, time lapse, wide lens coverage, recording on demand. It supports up to 1 TB of SD card, super capacitor, and a detachable design. On this side it says about the Qubo app, how to install. So that's a packing. So let's unbox this. So when you unbox, you get this paperwork, QR code to use the dashcam quick start guide, paperwork, the camera as such. The camera is like this, and rotate it 360 degrees and attach it to the in such a manner. And the other side there's power cable and memory card, micro memory card holder. And you get this pin to connect it to your car connector, and below you get the cable and one extra sticking pad, and this is the tool to insert the wire, and this one cable. This one sticker to guide you. So on the windscreen, such a box is it. Thank you.